Hi everyone, my name is Stefanie and I'm responsible for human resources here at Dcubed. Currently we have almost 40 employees in full-time, part-time, as an intern or a working student. Team spirit is one of the most important values at Dcubed. It is also very nice that we have typically the variant events, like going to the Oktoberfest together, which is definitely a highlight for all of our team members. On top, we celebrate every rocket launch that brings our products into space. To bring individuals from all over the world together in one happy team is a wonderful challenge. So if you would like to join a really cool, high motivated and diverse team, then come to us!